Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the group PBL 240. We would like to present the result of our project entitled Mail Management Application at Polibatam. With our manpro, Bu Evaliata Bersemiring Askom MCS. Next. Role and contribution. Adika Hafiz Wibowo as leader front-end and database. Putri as front-end and QA testing. Varian Rensa Putra as front-end and back-end. Muhammad Ali Asuri as back-end and database. Hermansyah as UI UX and QA testing. And last, Suci Akila, business analyst and UI UX. The next slide will be explained by Adika.
General description. Polybatam Letter Management Application is a web-based platform that facilitates the process of submitting and managing various types of letters within Batam State Polytechnic, such as assignment letters, certificate letters, and cover letters. The platform allows the proposer to digitally fill in the submission form and monitor the status of the submitted letter. The letter management system was developed to overcome problems in the correspondence process at Batam State Polytechnic.
Yeah, this is functional requirement. So we have successfully developed and implement one of the main functional of the mail management application system at Polibatam. The functional that have been successfully implemented include F01. User can log in to application by using username and password authentication. Meanwhile, several other functional are currently still in the development stage and are planned to be implemented at a later stage. Okay, the next slide will be explained by Akila.
Okay, now let me explain the non-functional requirement of our application. First parameter is ergonomy. This means the application must have the app must be user-friendly, visual, appealing, consistent, and easy to use to ensure a smooth user experience. The second requirement is portability. The app should work on various operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. The third one is communication language. The interface will use Bahasa Indonesia as the main language to suit our target users. And finally, we have security. Strong security feature as a requirement, including user authentication, data encryption, and role-based access control.
The use case diagram flow, pengusul can do login, submit a letter, save as draw, receive notification, perform a letter search, downloading letter, view mail history, change password, forgot password, logout. Staf umum or tata usaha can do login, search for letter, management letter type, view and check letter, verification submits to the subsection head, view letter statistic, review letter status, issue letter number, change password, forgot password, logout. Kepala subbagian Kajur can do login, perform search, approve and reject mail, view statistic, change password, forgot password, and logout. Admin can do login, managing proposal data, managing letter types, and logout. Next.
So this is our entity relation diagram. Firstly, we have pengusul that has many-to-one relation to all pengusul. Pengusul can also submit surat. Surat has many-to-one relation to jenis surat and also one-to-one relation to riwayat status surat. Riwayat status surat has one-to-one relation to status surat. Peran anggota has many-to-one relation to pivot pengusul surat. And pivot pengusul surat has many-to relation to surat and pengusul.
I will describe about page 9. In this page, there are 8 tables. First table is table surat. Table surat have ID surat as primary key and ID jenis surat as foreign key. Second table is table pengusul. Table pengusul have ID pengusul as primary key and ID role pengusul as foreign key. The next table is table peran anggota. This table have ID peran anggota as primary key. Another table is table jenis surat. In this table have primary key, name, ID jenis surat. The next table is role pengusul. In this table have ID as primary key and ID pengusul, ID surat, and ID peran keanggotaan as foreign key. And another table pengusul surat. In this table have ID role pengusul as primary key. The last table on the left side is table riwayat status surat, have ID as primary key and ID surat as foreign key. The last table is status surat. In this table have ID status surat as primary key.
So this is our documentation of PBL activity. Next. Okay, thank you for listening our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.